Ever dreamt of building a thriving online marketplace? A platform bustling with buyers and sellers, exchanging goods and services with ease? But then reality hits. How do you handle payments securely, efficiently, and compliantly? That's where lemonway swoops in, a name whispered with reverence amongst marketplace builders. But is this payment institution all hype, or is it truly powerful? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of lemonway and dissecting its strengths to see if it lives up to the legend. The Marketplace Conundrum, Payments Pain Points. Imagine this: you've built a beautiful marketplace, brimming with potential. But then comes the payment hurdle. Traditional payment processors just aren't cut out for the complexities of marketplaces. Here's why. Security nightmares: marketplaces hold onto buyer funds before transferring them to sellers. This requires robust escrow accounts to prevent fraud and ensure trust. Traditional processors don't offer this level of security. Compliance chaos: marketplaces operate across borders, and regulations vary wildly. Keeping up with compliance for every region is a logistical nightmare. Friction frenzy: a seamless checkout experience is crucial. Traditional processors often have clunky integrations that slow down transactions and frustrate users. Enter lemonway, the marketplace payment messiah. Lemonway positions itself as the answer to these marketplace payment woes. But what exactly makes them so powerful? Let's break it down. Fort Knox-level security: lemonway boasts robust escrow accounts, safeguarding buyer funds until sellers deliver. They also employ sophisticated fraud prevention measures to keep marketplaces secure. Compliance crusader: lemonway simplifies the compliance jungle. They handle regulatory requirements across various regions, giving marketplace owners peace of mind. Frictionless flow: lemonway integrates seamlessly with marketplaces, providing a smooth checkout experience for buyers and sellers. Their powerful API allows for easy customization, ensuring a perfect fit for your platform. Beyond the basics, unveiling lemonway's arsenal. But lemonway's power goes beyond these core features. Here's a peek into their arsenal. Instant KYC: onboarding sellers and buyers is a breeze with lemonway's instant KYC, Know Your Customer, technology. This ensures faster account creation and a smoother user experience. Payment powerhouse: lemonway supports a wide range of payment methods, from credit cards to bank transfers, catering to a global audience. Data dashboard delight: lemonway provides an intuitive dashboard that offers real-time insights into transactions, user activity, and financial performance. Marketplace mavens: the lemonway team understands the unique needs of marketplaces. They offer dedicated support and expertise to help your platform thrive. Is lemonway the right fit for you? While lemonway is undoubtedly powerful, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Consider these factors before making the leap. Marketplace size and complexity: lemonway caters well to established marketplaces with a high transaction volume. Smaller platforms might find the fees a bit steeper. Technical expertise: integrating lemonway requires some technical know-how. If your team isn't comfortable with APIs, you might need external help. Regional focus: while lemonway operates across Europe, their reach in other regions might be limited. The verdict: unleashing lemonway's power. Lemonway is a powerful tool for building secure, compliant, and user-friendly marketplaces. Their robust features, focus on security, and compliance expertise make them a compelling choice. However, their pricing structure and technical requirements might not suit every platform. So, is lemonway the key to unlocking your marketplace's potential? Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it aligns with your vision. Remember, the right payment solution can be the difference between marketplace success and stagnation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy building.